Hello everybody! Welcome back to Sip and App. Today I'm sharing another light and refreshing recipe that screams summer. With my little trick for making these bite-sized taco shells that will stand up on the plate and stay crispy, they're perfect for entertaining. So go get yourself some ripe mangoes before the season ends and let's get cooking. We're starting with the shell and it's made with a rather surprising ingredient, gyoza wrappers. If you already tried my gyoza recipe, you might guess that this is frequently on my grocery list, but not just for gyoza making. In fact, these wrappers have so many other uses like these tacos that I'm about to show you. Just make sure that they're not the square wonton wrappers, as they will give you a totally different finished product. After preheating your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, you want to lightly brush both sides of the wrappers with oil. Then drape them over the bars of a metal rack set on the baking sheet. Here's my setup using the metal rack that came with my toaster oven. If you don't have a rack like this, you can also use metal skewers, utensils, or an upside-down mini muffin pan like this. Pop them in the oven for about 10 to 12 minutes until they're golden and crisp. They cool into these perfect little taco shells that actually stand up on the plate. No soggy bottoms or fancy equipment needed. Next, the mango salsa. This is one of my favorite things to make in the summer, and the great thing about this recipe is that you can swap with other fruit like peaches or pineapples, anything that looks good and ripe at the market that day. Take your time to dice them pretty small so that you get a little bit of everything in each bite. Here's a shot of these colorful ingredients, and as always, the exact measurements are listed in the description box below. After combining everything in the bowl, let's set it aside to chill. Finally, moving on to the fish. Today I'm using these beautiful wild-caught mahi-mahi, but just like the salsa, you can use any firm, meaty fish that looks good and fresh at the market that day. And let's be honest, good fish isn't cheap. So this is a great way to stretch your dollars by turning just 1 pound of fish into 18 to 20 mini tacos. Perfect for a party platter. I like to slice them into about 1/2-inch strips, then lightly coat them with my special blend of spices. Then I give them the lightest dusting of flour. That just helps it get a good sear on the outside without drying out. We're gonna pan fry the fish on medium-high heat with just a little bit of oil. Since these pieces are so thin, it should only take about 2 minutes per side. No need to deep fry here as our shells are going to bring all that crisp. Now the best part, assemble. Crisp, light, colorful, and easy to serve for a crowd. And there you have it. If you're looking for a summer bite that feels fresh but still delivers on flavor and texture, these tacos are it. I'd say the only thing that can make this dish better is a glass of margarita, but whatever you're sipping, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who might also enjoy great food and drinks at home. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers!